There's a reason we tend to save prime rib for holidays and special occasions. It's rich, full of meaty flavor, and instantly elevates any meal. So today, we're going to take the stress out of preparing this impressive cut of beef and make you the holiday hero with a little help from the Big Green Egg. So what we have here is a prime rib roast that weighs about 5 pounds and should feed 5 to 6 people. First, we're going to season the outside of our roast, and today we're using Big Green Egg's new classic steakhouse seasoning. Use as little or as much as you like. Make sure you get a nice even coating on all sides of the meat. Now that it's seasoned and ready to go, let's head outside and set our egg up for indirect cooking at 325 degrees. To do this, we'll need our convector basket, convector, stainless steel cooking grid, 13x9 drip pan, and of course, our roasting rack. When your egg gets above 200 degrees, add your convector and stainless steel cooking grid. Once you've reached your target temperature, place your drip pan and roasting rack on the cooking grid, then place the rib roast on top, being sure to have it fat side up. If you have a remote probe thermometer or an Egg Genius, you'll want to place the probe in the center of the roast so you can continually monitor the internal temperature. Close the dome and plan on roasting your prime rib for 15 to 20 minutes per pound or until you reach an internal temperature of 125 degrees. Here's where the magic of the egg comes into play. With the lid closed, the egg keeps heat circulating around the rib roast, locking in all the critical juices, producing results that other cookers simply can't achieve. Once you hit your target internal temperature, remove the roast from the egg, tent with foil, and allow it to rest for 20 to 30 minutes. The finished product has the natural juices locked in with delicious, concentrated beef flavor that will impress your guests and make you a legend this holiday season. As always, if you have any questions, be sure and stop by and ask the experts. We're just off South Campbell on Tracker Road. Outdoor Home, where outdoor living is always in.